Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Alicia, if this is your first time here, and if not, welcome back. So I've got a couple of packages that I want to show you guys, things that I actually use that they continue to send me that I love, and then something new that I am going to try probably in the next video. So let me stop rambling and let's just get into it. Okay, the first PR package is from Henriksen. I use their vitamin C collection religiously, and I've actually started using their transformation something. Anyway, it's a skincare product line that I absolutely love, and so once a month or once a quarter they send me something. So this is, and the packaging is a little messed up because it's been everywhere, but this is the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. So this is a daily cleanser. It's from their vitamin C collection. So it's got orange fruit water and PHA. So I don't have this one. I use their foaming cleanser from the same collection. Never tried this one, so this will definitely be something that's in my arsenal. And like I said, I am on their PR list. I think they send me something either every month or every other month, and it's always been skincare that I definitely like to try. The last couple of times it's been masks, which has been great because I don't have a lot of masks in my skincare arsenal, but I definitely am going to use this Truth Juice Daily Cleanser once I'm done with the foam. I think I still have like half a bottle left of the foam, so this will be up next in action. Alright, the next box that we have, and I'm just going to undo it, is from Pixie Beauty. I started using Pixie Beauty. They actually posted on my Instagram about their toner that they have, the Glow Tonic toner that I absolutely love. They reached out to me and said, hey, we saw that you're a fan of our toner. Do you want to be on our PR list to receive packages monthly or quarterly? Hey, absolutely, love it, all that kind of stuff. So I've only been with them for probably about this year, and so a lot of the stuff I've either been using, or now that I got my sister on Pixie Beauty, she loves to come and ramble in my collection. So speaking of Glow Tonic, and I love their packaging. Like, their packaging is absolutely adorable. This is the Glow Tonic, the original. So let's see what's in here. Now, you guys, I just told you that I posted on my Instagram about their Glow Tonic. Oh my gosh. And so they sent me their Glow Tonic, but they've also got my name on it. So it has Alicia's Glow Tonic. Let's see if you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? They have my name on it. How cute! So they sent me the very, very large, and then there also is like a pump, so I don't think I'm gonna have to like work with this. And then they also sent me, if I can get this out of the package, 2 of the smaller Glow Tonics, and it says, so happy to share this gift of glow with you. So there's 2. I have 2 sisters who love this, so I'm just going to drop this into their, oh, I've wrecked all their gifts. Shit. I'll probably just give them to them when they come over, because we're doing Christmas, and you guys will see this video and it'll be after Christmas. But we're doing Christmas morning at my house, and then we're all leaving to go to our separate ways. So I'll probably give this to them when they come over for Christmas Eve, just like here, early Christmas present. So 2 to give away, and then the very, very large one that has my name on it. Absolutely love this stuff. It's this toner, and then it's the Henriksen dark spot toner that I use. The dark spot toner I used to use day and night, and then I was told that I probably should not do that because it's a little bit more stronger, and I probably should just use it at night. So I'm using the dark spot toner from Henriksen at night, and then I'm using the Pixie Beauty Glow toner in the daytime. So definitely something that I'm going to be able to get plenty of use out of. Alright, this next package, it says Belair. What? I don't know Belair. Oh, Makeup Revolution. Maybe Belair is like the parent company, I don't know. So they reached out to me 2 weeks ago, a couple weeks ago, saying, hey, we've got this great collection with Patricia Bright. And that's how under the rug on YouTube I am. I didn't know who she was until they mentioned her. And then I went on YouTube. I was like, oh, she's a hit. She's a bop. Now I'm watching like all her videos. Anyway, so they said, hey, we want to send you some stuff. Are you interested? I'm like, yeah. I love when I see people of my color on the screen or like making big things happen. So when I saw her, I was like, dark-skinned woman on it, yes, send me any and everything. So they sent me her collection. We have an eyeshadow palette, and I'm actually going to open this up because I don't know if this is like new and not out or anything like that. So I'm going to open this up. They sent me 2 eyeshadow palettes. If you don't know me, I have a ton of eyeshadow palettes that I just don't use. So when I'm getting eyeshadow palettes and I know I'm not going to like really use them, I've been trying to hold on to them and do like this really big giveaway. So there's 2 out here. I might give one away. So this is a shadow palette. Oh, see, this is absolutely gorgeous because look at all these colors. Like, those colors are absolutely gorgeous. However, I'm not a color person. Like, this is a little too bright. So this might be the one, and it's the Rich in Color eyeshadow palette. So this will probably be the one that I politely put back in here and give away. This one is the Rich in Life shadow palette. So let's see what this one looks like. I told myself in 2020 I was going to get back into putting eyeshadow on because I used to do it all the time, especially when I would have to freelance for Mac. You'd have to have on eyeshadow, and since I haven't been there in forever, this is like the hardest thing. I'm trying not to mess up the box in case I want to give it away, but this is, you guys are making it very hard. Okay, we're just gonna have to tear up the box. I'll make a note if I decide to give this away, like, hey, I wasn't in it, it was just hard to open it. Alright, this is the Rich in Life shadow palette. Y'all really gonna make it that hard for me? Really? It's hard to open. Okay, no, I'm gonna keep these. Yeah, this is gonna be mine. Because it's got some color, but it's not like too bad. See, I've got some neutrals up here, some mini neutrals here. There's some color over here at the end, but no. So this might be mine. Oh, and there's also a yellow. I've been wanting to try a yellow look. So this is the Rich in Life eyeshadow palette. So I'm glad I like this because I completely messed up the entire box. And then we have some face palettes. Moonlight Glow. No. Not gonna use that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we've got like a highlight, we've got a brown, and we've got what looks like a blush. Not using that. So I'll either, the makeup is really easy to give away because it's either give to one of my 2 sisters. I have not a ton of friends, but a few friends who are into makeup, or if not, I just set it aside and do like a massive giveaway at the end of every year. I might have to do one relatively soon because I'm getting like a lot of stuff. I'm not even going to open that one because I don't, well, let's see. This is the Summer Sunrise palette. This is just, alright, Summer Sunrise palette. Is that not the same thing? Moonlight Glow. Is that, guys? It looks exactly the same as the Moonlight Glow palette. Like, I'm not wearing that either. That's not gonna work. My makeup has been, especially lately, has been very minimalistic, just because I have, before I used to invest a lot of money in makeup and not so much money in skincare. This past year, because I did have like a breakout and I don't have a clue where it came from, I've been investing more in skin and skincare than necessarily like my makeup. So kind of go through like a shifting right now. Okay, I might use this one. This one is the Dusk Till Dawn, and everything's just a tad bit darker. I don't know if you guys can see that. So the highlight is more of like a golden tone. This actually looks like I could actually contour with it. And then I love that dark red or like a dark purple blush. So yes, this one is for me. Dusk Till Dawn. Definitely keeping that one. And then the last one we have is the You Are Gold face palette. Alright, You Are Gold. Let's see. No. Well, I don't know. It's cute. I really do like the colors. We've got the highlight, the contour, and the blush. But because, like I said, I'm keeping my makeup to a minimum, and I know that if I have the Dusk Till Dawn, then I'm probably not going to use this one that often. So these three we're going to put in. I have like this big box, this giveaway box. So these three, and then the Rich in Color, we're going to give these away later. Probably sometime in January, because I need to host a giveaway. Alright, this last package is from a hair care company called Filmora and Curl Hair Care. And this is the one where I say I've never tried these products before at all. They actually emailed me. They said, hey, saw your channel, love it, or saw your Instagram feed, we loved it. We were wondering if you would be interested in trying Floral. They're an Ulta natural hair care company. If you want to go online and pick out some products, let us know. I emailed them back and said, hey, never heard, or I've never used you before, but I've heard great things. Because I've never used you, I really don't know what products to get. However, my normal style, which is what you see right now, is a wash and go. So you guys are welcome to send me anything that you think would help with a wash and go. And so this is what they said. So let's see. Oh, they have like the pink, what is this? Protective stuff. Alright. Oh. Alright. My normal wash and go lately has been a leave-in conditioner and a gel. I haven't really been doing conditioner, like curl creams or anything like that, curl defining cream lately. I don't know why, I just decided to switch it up and it's worked so far, so I went with it. So let me take it all out because I don't want to get this messed up. Alright, is there anything else left in here? No, let's close this box before I get this all on the flow. Okay, we have, oh, I love their packaging. That's so cute. We have the Organic Honey and Rose Cream Shampoo. Let's smell. Ooh, it smells pretty good. So it's the cream shampoo. I always go to the back to check. I don't do sulfates or parabens, so let's see. Other than that, I'm not seeing anything. So this one, we'll try that. I need to check for that sodium thing, but I don't think that is, because you know, I can normally spot a paraben or a sulfate in the ingredients, and that's not what I saw. This is the cream conditioner. We have benzyl alcohol. I need to make sure that that's not a drying alcohol. So this one has benzyl alcohol. I need to make sure that that's not a paraben. A sulfate wouldn't be a paraben. And then we've got the Curl Defining Gel, which I will definitely probably use. This one has benzyl alcohol in it as well. I need to check and see, because I think benzyl, as long as it's not isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, I don't think it'll be a problem. But yeah, so I've got the Curl Defining Gel, and then last but not least, we've got the Curl Activating Lotion. I don't see anything besides a I see that benzo alcohol in here, so I don't, you know, we'll see. I'll probably do a separate video of these products. Like I said before, I haven't really been doing a lot of like lotion, so this curl activating lotion I probably won't do, but I'll do the cream shampoo and the conditioner. They don't have a leave-in. Shoot. I've seen it go either way. The last thing that I have, which isn't really PR as so much a thank you, you guys have seen it on here. Most of my, if not all, of my kinkistry, of my clip-ins, like the natural hair clip-ins, have been kinkistry. They gave me my first official collaboration when I started this influencer thing years ago, and ever since then I've been a brand ambassador for them. So I do stuff monthly for them on Instagram and all that kind of stuff. And Angela, who's the owner, Black woman, absolutely love her, she sent me something the end of this year. This is a little package that I got yesterday, and this is the one where I got, and I'm just like, wait, I just got the wig from her last month. She didn't tell me she was sending anything. So got the package, and I've got this little letter from her. And in it she just like, thank you for all you've done this year to help make kinkistry a success. Wishing you and your family happy holidays and a prosperous and blessed new year, Angela. I love actual like handwritten cards, because in a day and age you can like send an e-card or something. I like to like putting pen to paper, so I love that she did that. And then she sent this kinkistry little cute bag with the logo on it. Cute, cute, cute. Cute little bag. And then their slogan is no curl left behind, which is absolutely true. Like if you're anywhere between from the 3 to the 4, she has clip-ins, wigs, anything, ponytails for you guys. So love that. And then she also sent, if you guys are familiar with Parted My Fro, they do like anything you can name of, shower curtains, bags, coffee mugs, whatever. She sent me this duffel bag, which is the cutest thing. This duffel bag has like this group of Black women loving it in formation. Absolutely love it. So this is definitely something that I'm going to be holding near and dear to me. I actually have to go to Mississippi to see my in-laws after Christmas, and I'm going to take this bag with me. So alright, so guys, that is it for this unboxing. I know there are a ton of unboxings out there, and so I try to make it a little bit different. If you like them, let me know. Give me a thumbs up so that I know. If you don't like it and you don't want to see them anymore and you're actually subscribed, just simply leave a comment that says no thank you, or liked it but I would rather see something else, because I don't want to like waste my time and waste your time, and I'm trying to condense it into something smaller. But let's just not waste each other's time. I don't want to waste time recording and editing and all that kind of stuff, and I don't want to waste your time sitting here watching something that you really don't care to see. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, no hard feelings. I'll find something else to record. But in the meantime, guys, don't forget to check out all my other videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. I am trying in the next year to post 2 videos a week. I started doing that in December and got a lot of positive feedback, so I'm going to try to do that for the whole year of 2020. Don't hold me accountable, because I probably won't. There will be some weeks when 2 videos just will not go up. But once again, guys, I thank you for your love, support, and appreciation. Don't forget to subscribe, cut on your notification bell, head over to Instagram and follow your girl. I also have a blog, you know, a little somewhere where I like to, you know, expose my thoughts for those that might or might not want to read them. So don't forget to check out those other social media avenues, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.